with it. Oh. So he's going to Michigan State University for packaging. You know how that process works. He says, I want to chase the money. I'm going to go for the medical side. He says, he don't want to chase the money. He'll go to the automotive side.
Hey guys, and welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Zachary Stevens, and this is my 1979 Chevy Camaro named Sidney. Today, we are bringing the car over to 660 Works. They are going to put a 10-point roll cage in it. I've been wanting this ever since I got the car back in 2019 or 2018? 2018. Just to be safe, and I gradually want to make the car a little faster year by year, so finally getting to it. It is currently 22 degrees out. That's why you can see my breath probably. Feels like 8 degrees according to my phone right now. But we are going to get this thing loaded up, take it to Grand Haven, have Chris work on it. It's currently snowing, roads are covered, so fingers crossed everything goes smoothly. This is my first time trailing the car in the snow or trailing anything in the snow. But it's Michigan, what are you going to do? So we're going to do our best, take it easy, drive slow, we're in no hurry. Already gave Chris a heads up we're going to be late, and thankfully he was okay with that. But yeah, let's just see how it goes. Shout out to Brandon for getting me a case of these. And just wanted to show you guys, this is how much snow we're going to be driving through pretty soon. I will say, that's something you don't see every day. So I got the car back now. I put it back in storage over here at the farm because I'll be going back to Michigan State to finish my spring semester starting this week. Chris did an awesome job with the roll cage. Chris over at 660 Works. So what I had him do was he did the full cage I believe he just bought a main hoop, bent it, and then did everything himself other than that. So he did all these bars, door bars. He made sure to have me sit in the seat first. He mounted the seats and helped me mount the dash. I could throw that up in a second here. And then he also did this tin plate back here for the firewall because the bars were going to go through the old one, and I asked if he could just redo it, make it nicer, a little safer, and he even made it so that it covers basically that whole top piece. And I'll just rivet that in. He's only got 2 in there right now, so I could drill those out and pull that panel off so I could paint everything. Everything's covered in WD-40 so it doesn't rust. That's why I came back here. And then in the springtime, I will degrease everything, get all that WD-40 off, and paint this thing. Probably thinking black. Yeah, Chris mounted the seats as well. He did an awesome job. I can't thank him enough. Carpet in, or first we're gonna paint everything, then we'll do the carpet. I still got seat covers. We're gonna throw on these Summit seats here. Yeah, so very excited. Next time you'll see me, it's not gonna be this cold where you can see my breath. I want to use this YouTube channel to document the whole build of this car and also my dad's 79 C10. It's a 79 C10, but it's also got a 80s front end on it, so that's why the year looks different. Previous owner had it in a fender bender or something like that, so he did the whole front end swap. So it still is a 79, so that's why the YouTube channel name is Steven's Racing 79, because both of these cars are 1979 Chevy vehicles. So tune in for next time when we slowly start putting this in together when I come home from school. Thanks. Don't forget, guys, before you leave, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, see you guys later.